Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a timing belt on a Subaru Impreza. First, gather all your tools and parts. You'll need a new timing belt kit, which typically includes the belt, idlers, and a water pump. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning any automotive repair for safety. This ensures no accidental power surges occur during the process. Next, we'll start by removing the accessory belts, followed by the power steering pump and alternator, moving them aside. Use a crank pulley holding tool to safely remove the crank pulley bolt, then the pulley itself. After that, carefully unbolt and remove the timing belt covers, revealing the old timing belt and its associated components underneath. Now, it's time for the new parts. First, ensure your crankshaft and camshaft timing marks are perfectly aligned. Install the new idlers, the tensioner, and the water pump that came with your kit. Carefully route the new timing belt around all the pulleys, making absolutely sure that all your timing marks stay in their correct positions throughout this step. Finally, we'll reassemble everything. Replace the timing belt covers and reinstall the crank pulley, tightening it to the manufacturer's specified torque. Reattach the alternator, power steering pump, and all accessory belts. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your battery's negative terminal and start the engine to confirm proper operation and listen for any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.